If I actually went broke today, here's exactly what I would do to make $50,000 a month in the next 120 days. So this is the system behind adding an extra 50K a month. As you can see, $15,000 a month consistently, and this is through the AI acquisition ecosystem. Now, does it work? You've probably tried boosting posts, running ads, and you've burned cash. I know for a fact you've burned cash instead of making it. You post daily, but you just feel like you're talking to an empty room. And the thing is, you don't need fancy funnels. You're stuck in the content hamster wheel, and you just see other people say run ads, run ads, run ads, but you have no system to convert that traffic. Now, it's not a traffic problem, it's a foundation problem. And if you do all of this, it's going to lead you to fail. So here's the exact system you need to implement. So first off, you need to get ultra clear on your foundations, who you serve, your niche, your tangible offer, the transformation. Right? And what needs to be done, you need to first off set up your IG ecosystem properly, because if your Instagram isn't set up properly, you're losing out on so many deals that it's not even funny, right? And here's how you can set it up. If I just zoom out over here. Here's what your Instagram probably looks like over here. It looks pretty shitty, right? It doesn't look professional or clean. This is what it should look like. And if you can get it to look like this, I assure you can close consistent high-ticket deals. Now, I've made an entire video. I've made a video on this channel about exactly how to get a perfect Instagram landing page. So go to my channel and check that video out if you want to close consistent high-ticket deals simply from your Instagram alone. And this has allowed me to actually close deals in the DMs, which is not even funny, close deals in the DMs. Now, you need to build your high-ticket offer out. You can check my most recent video out on the channel. It's about how to build your high-ticket offer out. Social proof optimization across platforms. This is basically leveraging your stories, highlights every single day across platforms. Building a market-ready service, getting market validation, getting your team set up in the ecosystem, a pricing structure. So basically charging high-ticket deals and making sure you're not feeling cringe. You feel confident in selling your product. Fundamentals mastery and messaging mastery. Now, messaging mastery is arguably one of the most important things in Sprint 1. Now, the reason for that is because if you don't convey your clear messaging principles in your content, you're not going to stand out from the market. You're going to seem like everyone else in the market. And you want to stand out. You want to be an authority. And you need to do that by having a clear messaging path. So I want you to have 5 signature stories, 5 stories which you can repeatedly tell, and 5 core beliefs you hold about your current business, which are against what other people think, and I want you to convey that in your content. Now, Sprint 2 is the launch. In the launch, you run ads and make a lot of money, as well as posting consistent content. Now, this is where you print a load of money. And the main goal is to like a high-ticket launch. And this is more like 30K minimum cash collected in 21 days. And this is through, first off, launch, which is the market validation sequence, high sequence and launch sequence, and then there's ads to run. And what happens is a high-ticket offer build-out, an IG story sequence plus creative, a landing page plus VSL, ads, creatives on the back end, and back-end operation setup. And the end goal of this is $30,000 cash minimum. As you can see, just some examples of that over here. Aaron making $27,000 a month. Ismail closing consistent $5,000 deals. And this has allowed us to get 40x ROAS on our ads as well. So 40x return on ad spend. So for example, if you spend bloody $40, you're going to get $1,600 back, which is absolutely absurd. And this is only part of our unique mechanism. Now, Sprint 3 is the Ascension Funnel. Now, understand that without an Ascension Funnel, your growth is going to be capped, right? Because everything else is completely automated once it's set up. And the goal of this is to expand to 90% of your audience. Now, after the high ticket drop, we have a social proof / authority infrastructure, a feedback loop to fuel momentum. We capture leads, we nurture and upsell them. And we help you design the Ascension Funnel end to end so you get it's automated. And we build a waitlist system. And this waitlist system is masterfully crafted to fuel demand. As you can see, examples of clients closing consistent $1,000 deals simply from this entire funnel. Now, Sprint 4 is the final solution, which is AI solutions and automations. Now, this is leveraging our own AI backend softwares and tools. For example, custom AI agents 24/7 for custom use cases. The goal is to automate and scale client acquisition. And after the Ascension Funnel, we implement AI, outbound VAs and setters, AI DM software, a custom AI agent, AI landing page / VSL builders, lead nurturing automated, Ascension Funnel automated, content ecosystem automated. Right? And the end goal is to automate your entire business so you only focus on what matters the most and you're not working in the business, you're working on the business. Now, as you can see, just some examples of what is done over here. Just generated inbound leads just from one AI campaign. Now, if you want to set up in your entire business, go shoot me a message on Instagram and we'll see exactly how we can help you out.